Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the materializations in the DBT. So until now we discussed about the models, how to create the model, how to run the model so that it creates either view or table. Till now we have seen just view only, how to create the view from the models. Now we are going to look at different materializations in the DBT. So basically, what's the definition of materialization? So materialization, nothing but it's kind of strategy, you could say, to persist your DBT model in the data warehouse. So as per the DBT official documentation, so this is the definition. Materializations are the strategies for persisting DBT models in a warehouse. So I will make you understand what is this definition in action. Okay, before going to the DBT in action, we try to see what are the different materializations available in the DBT. So there are like five materializations in the DBT, like view, table, incremental, ephemeral, materialized view. Out of all these five, this incremental is very, very important, little complex one also. We'll try to understand this one, what are the different options in this. We will see this one little later. For now, we see what is view materialization, what is table materialization. View we already have seen, but again we'll try to see where can we configure this materialization within the either in the model or in the project YAML file. Now let us say my requirement is like this. See, I have a table. See, I have a table in one particular schema. From this table, I want to create a table, one more table. This could be either view or table, and I want to create either view or table from this. Okay, this is kind of source table, and this is my table or view. This could be also table or view. I would like to make you understand how the model, you write the model to create this table, you write a model, and in the model, should this be a table or view, you need to define that one in the configuration. We will see this part. Say, for instance, for my example, what I am going to do here is in the Snowflake sample data, in this, I'm going to take TPCH SF1 schema. In this, maybe I have one table like customer table. See, I have a customer table, right? So maybe let me take this TPCH SF1. I am going to run the query here. So my query is like select star from customer. So this is my query. So this query returns the number of rows. Okay. So these data I am going to create another table. I am going to create another table or view from this table, right? So I will be creating a model with the DBT. So for that, what I am going to do here is in the models, under the models, I am going to create another folder, maybe STG. I'm just giving the name like that. Okay, you can give another name also, just to make you understand. I am just taking STG. Under STG, I am going to create a model. STG customer dot SQL. So here I am writing the query. Select start from. So ideally we follow like this, like with the CTE, right? After that, with CT name is like the customer. I'm writing as this way. I can give. I am creating the model here. select star from in the snowflake. Where is that? So this is my snowflake sample data. Okay, snowflake sample. This is my database. I'm taking. This is my database. My schema is tpch sf1 sf1 underscore customer. So this is my model. I don't want to give this condition here. I'll just give like this, and here select star from my city. This is simple model. So this is my model. I'm just saving this one, right? And where can I say that whenever I run this model, my DBT should create stg underscore customer table. I want to create a table. Where can I give? So that part, in two ways we can do. One way is go to your project YAML file. Within the project YAML file, so we follow this syntax. See here in the documentation, I already mentioned clearly. We follow this syntax. Models, under models, you need to give the project name. So in this placeholder, you need to give the project name. Yes, I gave the project name. That is my project name is dbtilla, and under that project name, you need to give your folder. So I am going to give the folder here, stg, should be small case. So in the stg, next, what is the syntax? In the syntax, we need to give plus materialized. Yeah, this is important. So plus materialized, and under stg, this is my folder. Under stg, whatever the model you define, it will create table. You understood what I'm saying? See, under stg folder, I created a model stg underscore customer, and in the stg, my materialization is table. That means under stg, the model, whenever you run this model, it will create a table with the same name as my model name. My model name is stg underscore customer. Okay, so that setting I made it here. I gave that property here, that configuration I gave it here. So models, this is project name. Under that folder, under that, what is your materialization? I told you, right? Materializations are five types: view, table, incremental, ephemeral, materialized. Now I'm going to give table here. See, under stg, the model is there. So the model, whenever you run this model, it will create a table. That is the importance of this one. Where will it create a table? Yes, if you go to your profile, the DBT profile. So here, if you open it, yes, under dev schema of Airbnb database. Under this database, under this schema, it is going to create a table. It is going to create a table with stg underscore customer name. So now I have updated my project YAML file. So now I'll save it. Then I already have created the model here, stg underscore customer, right? Now I'm going to run it. Before running this one, just see in the Snowflake, under Airbnb database, I have dev schema. Within the dev schema, I have only views, right? They are the views. There are no tables. Now, whenever I run my model, it will create uh, a table. See, now I'm running dbt run. Let's see. So it is running. It will take this maybe 10 to 15 seconds. It is running. That's okay. So this error, this warning, just ignore that warning. Yes, you see here, dev.stg customer. So it completed successfully. So there are no errors, errors zero, right? So these many we ran. Okay, here if you can see here, four models are there because under SRC these three models are there, and here it is fourth model. So total four models ran. Okay, now here 474 macros are there. This 470, so 474 macros are inbuilt macros. That's okay, because we did not create any macros. So these are inbuilt macros. Whenever you run dbt run, for every run it will run all the macros, all the models under this project. Whatever the macros, models, seeds, snapshot, targets, all these will run. Right now I'm going to check in my Snowflake. See, in the dev earlier I have only views. Now when I refresh it, yes, it created table. So stg customer. That's all. So whenever you run this model, for every run, for every run, it will recreate the table. It will recreate the table. Okay, so that is the importance of this particular materialization. So this is all about the table materialization. So this is the one of the ways, right? So you can give this setting like materialized is table. We can give this one, or we can give the same setting within the model itself. We will see this one in the next class. Thank you.